Good day, everyone. Welcome to this subject, Social Studies, Grade 9A and 9B. Your teacher here, Miss Michelle Joy. This video will serve as a recap makeup class, especially for the students who weren't able to join our class. Let's proceed to our online learning discussion now. Class, before we proceed to our online learning discussion, I would like us to have a short recap or review of the last topics that we have discussed, which were about the climates and weather in North America. So there are 8 climatic zones in North America, and they are the following: coniferous forest, deciduous forest, alpine mountain, Mediterranean, rainforest, grassland, tundra, and desert. Class, the objective of our lesson for today: students must be able to know about the seasons in North America. So I expect that at the end of this online discussion, you can already identify and differentiate these different seasons in North America. Class, our topic for today is about the seasons of North America, and these are the vocabulary words. Please repeat after me so you can still practice your reading skills and your speaking skills even if you are just at home. Are you ready now? Let's start reading. Number 1, season. Number 2, spring. Number 3, winter. Number 4, summer. And number 5, autumn. Now let's read the meaning of these words one by one. Seasons is mean eras, periods, spells, flavors, ages, times, spices, epochs, peppers, and salts. But class, the meaning of the word season in here is about the eras or periods in which these different seasons occur. The next word is spring. Spring means to leap, jump, bound, hop, bounce, vault, skip, fountain, springness, start. So class, the meaning of the word spring in here is the word start, in which the flowers and the trees are starting to bloom. Next is winter. It means winter time, overwinter, frost, hibernal, wintertide, wintry, midwinter, cold season. So when you say season or winter, it is associated with snow. The next word is summer. Summer means summertime, dog days, in which you can walk your dogs, midsummer, heat, daylight savings time, vacation. You can go on vacation, swim on the beach, summerly, sunny season, summertime, warm weather. And the last word that we have is autumn, which means fall, season, autumnal, harvest, harvest time, summer, spring, opportunity, equinox, and seasonal. So these are the 5 words that can help us understand our topic for today. So let's read them again from numbers 1 to 5. Season, spring, winter, summer, and autumn.
Around the world, seasons and the weather are different. Why is this? Why are there 2 seasons in some countries, a dry season and a rainy season, but 4 seasons in others? Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. This red line is the equator. Above and below the equator are 2 zones: the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Countries that are on the equator or in these 2 zones have hot weather. Parts of Kenya are on the equator. They have 2 seasons. It is hot all year round, but it rains from April to June and October to December. Egypt is in the Tropic of Cancer. The wet season is from December to April. Above and below the tropics, the weather is different. In this video, we're going to look at seasons in the United States and Canada. Spring in the United States and Canada is from March to May. The weather is warm and wet. In Alaska, the rainfall is over 400 centimeters a year, but in Arizona, it is only 8 centimeters a year. There's a lot of rain and sun. Plants and flowers grow at this time. After spring comes summer. The summer months are June, July, and August. It is hot and sunny. There's no school in the summer, so children play outside. You can sometimes see storms in the summer, but usually there are blue skies. In summer, the plants and trees have lots of green leaves. And fruit and vegetables grow. Autumn is between September and November. The weather is cold, and it can be misty in the morning and evening. Many people like the autumn because the leaves on the trees change color and fall. It can be very beautiful. Winter is from December to February. Winter is cold, and there can be a lot of snow. It can be as cold as -60 degrees Celsius. You can see the snow in the cities and in the country. Snow can be dangerous for cars, but children like it. And many people go skiing. Some people hate the cold weather. They travel south to the tropics for the sun and hot weather. Do you like hot or cold seasons?
Now, class, let us discuss about the seasons of North America. In North America and other northern parts of the world, from the months September to March, the Earth is tilted in a way where we do not get as much light and heat from the sun, which causes winter and autumn. At the same time that this is happening to the northern part of the Earth, the southern part is tilted toward the sun, so it gets more light and heat, causing the seasons of spring and summer. So this is the sun, class, and this is the northern part and southern part. So in March to September, it's winter in the southern part of the Earth, but in September and March, it's summer in the southern part of the Earth, and here winter. Viewed in terms of regions, Greenland, Canada, and most of the USA lying in the northern hemisphere have 4 distinct seasons in different periods of the year. Now, class, let us discuss about the seasons in North America. Number 1 is winter. It happens in December, January, and February. Number 2 is spring, which happens in March, April, and May. Number 3 is summer, which happens in June, July, and August. Number 4 is autumn, which happens in September, October, and November. Class, in North America, they also have wet season from May to October, and this happens in Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and Southern USA. They also have the dry season from November to April, and this happens in Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and Southern USA. Now, class, in the western edge of the continent, El Niño causes higher ocean water temperatures, and La Niña causes colder water temperatures. Now, class, for the summary of the topics we have just discussed, we have studied about the seasons in North America, and they are the following. The 4 seasons. Spring. Spring is the season between winter and summer. North of the equator, it happens in March, April, May, and south of the equator, it happens in September, October, and November. Summer. Summer is the season between spring and autumn. So north of the equator, it happens in June, July, August, and south of the equator, it happens in December, January, and February. Next, autumn or fall. Autumn is the season between summer and winter. North of the equator, it happens in September, October, and November. South of the equator, it happens in March, April, and May. And the last one is winter. Winter is the season between autumn and spring. In the north of the equator, it happens in December, January, and February. And in the south of the equator, it happens in June, July, and August. Now, class, for your activity, just click the link in the Google Classroom to answer the activity, which is live worksheet. So this is your activity for seasons. So just look at the earth here, or the globe in here, and determine which month winter, autumn, spring, and summer occur. Good luck, everyone. Now, class, we now come to the end of our online learning discussion. I hope you have learned something about the seasons in North America. If you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, you can send me a message in my personal line account, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye. Thank you very much.